Next generation sequencing is becoming more available, more reliable, and practical in our practices, absolutely. So we see a lot of changes over the last few years. The one change is that for candidate gene testing, so our panels that look at specific candidate genes, the cost has been disrupted. So these are tests that might have been multiple thousands of dollars. I expect within the next year, we'll be doing tests that are less than $1,000 in our clinics. So that's exciting because the cost had been a barrier to access to care for patients. So that was always an issue. Also, how payers address next generation sequencing has always been a question. And so CMS coming out with a national coverage determination has been incredibly helpful, and I would imagine that commercial payers will follow. And then lastly, what we see is that there are more and more clear indications based on FDA approval for treatments based on molecular diagnostics. So that's been present in lung cancer for some time, that continues to evolve and is now present in many cancers. And what we see growing now are treatments that are really tumor type agnostic, just based on molecular phenotype. And so all of that is making this environment really ripe to do regular next generation sequencing on our patients with advanced solid cancers.